more farms. Gonna be attempting for this right here somewhere. I got my supervisor, as you can see. She's walking. I got that crazy guy over there. I got a big lake over there. It's not so bad today, but yesterday was pretty bad, so.
Did the hydrovac leave?
Yes, the hydrovac left. He went back that way.
He literally just stood there.
Yeah, so people here are lazy. Okay, I want to get to it. So, accomplished this trampoline. Kind of nice. Never did one before, so Inspector Gadget, supervisor. So that's where we stuck it. So we did so much today. A whole up in trampoline build. Now I'm probably just gonna walk around the yard and pick up all the garbage and clean up. Catch you guys later.
Oh, did you put the lava bar back?
Yep.
You're done?
Yep. So, cut the grass a little bit. I only did 2 right there. I didn't go over there. That's a lot better. Should have seen how many fucking golf balls I found and stuff. Oh, cut the grass there. A little dirt hill. I got a little. Got on a dirt bike. Mean. Yeah, I only did. Gotta do it again, obviously, but I only did to here. That didn't go over there. Actually, yeah, I lied. I did one pass, but only one pass there, and then cut across and that way. Trying to record over here. You mind? Shh. Yeah, you better speed away. So yeah, looking a lot better. Got the trampoline set up over there. And set up the gaze bow right there. And yep, got burn out the weed whacker, do around the trees, and go from there. I did grab a belt for this. Thinking, oh, I got a little bigger. No, fuck, the thing turned out too big. So tomorrow I might go down and grab another belt for that. Grab the wheel for this one. Just gotta tighten it up still. That was a slow start today. But there's the gaze bow right there. I know it's called a gazebo, but I call it a gaze bow. And then it's got a weed whack around the bushes, trees, and chop down most of that bush. And yeah, it's coming together slowly. I'm gonna catch you guys later. And one last thing, I'm probably gonna take this deck off, slide it out, unseize that stupid linkage thing, see if I can make this thing work again, re-straighten out that, and if I can't, then this, I'm going to do something special to that one. And that one right there. Look at it. Look at it now. It'll be different. Yeah, so catch you guys later.